everybody, today's top tip video is about reusing certain items for cleaning, such as rubber gloves and wet wipes, cloths and sponges. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much. These gloves got wet because they were at the tub by my toilet upstairs, and the washing up liquid which I cleaned the toilet with leaked all over them, so I had to swirl them off. And as you can see, I'm just giving them a quick wash in the washing machine. So I like to reuse as much products as I can to help the environment. As you can see, I use wet wipes for wiping down certain things, and then I just rinse them off and then pop them in my washing machine when I clean other items. Because I'm washing rubber gloves, I'm putting it on a cool wash. So obviously you don't want the water to be too hot and melt the rubber. So it'll also get all the washing up liquid on that's spilt on them, and give everything a good quick wash. Okay, I added in some baking powder or bicarbonate soda, and that will help kill some of the smells in as well. So there you go, you can just see them swishing around, and I just think it's a really good idea with sponges to just keep reusing them rather than throwing them away, because it just fills up the landfills, and once you give them a quick wash, they're good to go. Okay, so I hope you give this a go. If you do, let me know. The trick is, when you want to dry your rubber gloves out, hang them up by the end of the middle finger, just the tip, and put some pegs at the bottom to hold the gloves, the bottom of the gloves hold facing down, and stops them closing together so the water can't get out. And as you can see, this quick wash has done good, freshening up everything. There was a little bit of mold on these gloves, as you can see. Washing them didn't get that out, but other than that, they are pretty good. So thank you for watching, and let me know if you give this a try.